If you would like to clean up your Instagram profile without permanently deleting your content, the archive feature is exactly what you need. It lets you hide posts and reels from everyone else while keeping them safely stored in your account. Here's how to do it. Begin by opening the Instagram app on your phone. After the app loads, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to visit your profile. Look through your profile and find the post or reel that you'd like to hide. Tap it to open it in full view. Next, tap the three-dot icon in the upper right corner of the post. This will bring up a menu with several actions you can perform. From the available options, tap Archive. Instagram will instantly remove the selected post from your public profile and save it in your personal archive. No one else will be able to see the post on your profile, but it won't be deleted from your account. To make sure everything worked correctly, return to your profile and refresh the page. You'll notice that the archived post has disappeared from your profile grid. Whenever you want the post back, simply go to your profile, open the menu, tap Archive, choose the post, tap the three-dot menu again, and select Show on Profile. The post will reappear exactly as it was before, including its likes, comments, and caption. The archive feature is perfect for hiding old content, organizing your profile, or taking a break from certain posts without losing them forever. That's how easy it is to archive an Instagram post. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helped you. If it did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more quick tech tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you'll always be the first to see our latest tips and tricks.